Hi, hello everyone. Myself Vishnu Teja from KL University, Vijayawada. Today we are going to discuss two most important topics in data warehousing and mining. Number one is OLAP, number two is OLTP. Firstly, we want to know what is OLAP and what are the examples of OLTP, where it is used. These are the these first we want to know. Okay. What is OLAP? OLAP is online analytical processing. It consists software tools that are used for data analysis for business decisions. It is used for online storage of data. It is used by the business analytic, manager, executive, and for data reporting purposes, data analysis purposes, where OLAP is used. Examples of OLAP, where it is used in financial department, it is used for budgeting, finance, etc. In sales department, it is used for sales analysis and forecasting. In market department, it is used for marketing analysis, promotion analysis. In Netflix, it is used for movie recommendation based on the watch history. Wherever the person is most interested in which category type of movies, whereas OLAP is searched in that. Why OLAP is used? For business users, it enables fast and intuitive access to centralized data and related calculations for the purposes of analysis and reporting. For IT, an OLAP solution enhances a data warehouse and other relational database with aggregate data and business calculations. Where is OLAP used? Typical applications of OLAP include business reporting for sales, marketing, management reporting, business process management, budgeting and forecasting, financial reporting, and similar areas with new application emerging such as agriculture for agriculture systems buying new ureas, and these are comes under OLAP advertisements like that. OLTP. What is OLTP? OLTP is online transaction processing. It is a type of data processing that executes translational focused tasks. It involves inserting, deleting, updating small quantities of database data. For it is often used for financial transactions, order entry, retail sales, and CRM. It manages day-to-day transactions of an organization. It is used by the end users such as database administrators and database professionals. The sound is good. What is OLTP used for? Well, coming to OLTP. OLTP is online transaction processing is a database software designed to support transaction related applications on the internet. OLTP database systems are commonly used for order entry, financial transactions, customer relationship, management, and retail sales via the internet. Examples of OLTP. In online banking, it is used for checking account balance, directing the fund balances. For purchasing a book, it is used for adding a book to the shopping cart. In call center staff uses OLTP to view update customer details. In ATM centers, it is used for money withdrawals, transfer deposit, and inquiries. See, this is the business model. This is the branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. This is the web pages in that. And these are the databases according to the web pages and the branches. This is the data warehouse. Databases is nothing but OLTP, whereas transaction, these are comes under the database system. After doing database, this is OLTP, data warehouse. Okay. OLTP is two-tier middle architecture, whereas OLAP is three-tier architecture. Okay. OLAP versus OLTP. What is OLAP and what is the difference between OLAP and OLTP, and what is its parameters? We want to know this in this. OLAP provides historical data for the reporting and planning, whereas in OLTP, day-to-day operations it provides. It uses a large and complex queries. It uses a small and little queries. Uses select query for fetching the data. It uses insert, delete, and update statements. Users are mostly knowledge workers, business analytics, used by the end users like clerks and cashiers, database administrators in OLTP. In OLAP, in this data is denormalized to improve query performance. In this data is stored in 3NF. Well, coming to requirements, requires OLAP requires significantly larger space, whereas in OLTP requires significantly smaller space. Backups are rarely needed due to the large space. Backups are regularly needed due to the smaller space. In these, design changes according to the reporting subject, Snowflake model-based design. Design changes as per the industry requirements, here model-based design. While coming to advantages of OLAP and OLTP. OLAP, it creates a single platform for all business analytic needs. It consists of information and calculation. It applies security restrictions on users and objects to company with regulations and project sensitive. While coming to OLTP, OLTP is used to manage day-to-day transactions of an organization. OLTP is queries is used in this are simpler and short. OLTP allows index access to data. It allows index. OLTP uses index transaction process. For this process, it allows indices to access the data. It uses multiplier. Multiple users can use OLTP at one time. We are using Amazon account. Multiple users uses one account any at one time. Multiple users can use OLTP at one time. Example Amazon and Flipkart, these all accounts. Okay. OLTP. OLTP, faster response time compared to OLAP. OLTP is faster due to the shortest subject in that. Okay. Well, coming to disadvantages of OLAP and OLTP. OLAP. It is slow response due to the high amount of data in it, slow in reacting, the business analytic demands, only read and rarely write query operation in that. It is static data. Okay, rarely write operation in that. Static, mostly static information provided in OLAP. Okay, IT professionals are responsible for implementation and maintenance of OLAP systems. While coming to OLTP, online transactions get affected if hardware failures in OLTP system. In ATM, while coming to banks, ATM, if any hardware fails, if you are in transaction, that total transaction will be failure. This is the major drawback in OLTP. Multiple users to change and access the same data, so create unprecedented situation. Multiple users can access the same data. If a person can book a in Amazon, if a person can book buy a that T-shirt for in one account at particular location, and the same account used by the another person can book the same T-shirt in another location. So this creates unprecedented situations. Costly system design and maintenance for marketing OLTP concurrency. It is costly system design and maintenance for marketing OLTP concurrency. Let's have a brief discussion of OLAP and OLTP. What is OLTP and what is OLAP? Okay. What is its examples? Okay. OLAP. OLAP is analytical processing, whereas OLTP is online transition processing. Yeah, this is the business architecture where OLAP and OLTP is used. OLAP is used in database systems, whereas OLTP is used in database systems. OLAP is used in data securing process, and OLTP is two-tier middle architecture, whereas OLAP is three-tier architecture, data transaction operations, data mining, big data techniques. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.